Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video I will teach you how to create glow effect for thumbnails in Canva. So first of all, the first thing that we're gonna do is we go to templates and search for thumbnails. Upon searching a thumbnail, we can see whatever thumbnail we want. Let's say this guy, customize this template. So you can see that there's a glow in the back. So how do we do that? So first of all, the easiest thing to do is that we just go to elements and search for glow. Then maybe you would want to go to graphics and search for the best glow you want. Just put the glow at the back of the image, make it as big as you like, then put the guy here. So you would want the guy to go in the back. So just go to position, press the glow one to back. So you see that the glow is at the back. Then there we go. You can change the glow to whichever color you want. So maybe orange or maybe a touch of green. So that's how easy for it is for us to add a glow to a thumbnail in Canva. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.